Hello everybody in my Harvard A class for Wednesday, October 28, 2009. This is your teacher Daryl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over, or I'm going to review page 54 of the blips, right? 54 is the blips. And what we're going over is we wanted to go over certain things here. We went over, I asked you, are there any plates? Are there any plates in the kitchen? Are there any? And then we say, yes, there are some plates. If there's more than one, we say there are some plates. We don't know how many, right? It could be two, it could be three, it could be four, it could be five, but we know it's more than one. So we say, yes, there are some plates, right? And are there any bowls? Yes, there are some bowls. So that's what we went over in class. There are some bowls. Because we know that there's not one bowl. Because we'd say, yes, there is a bowl. But no, we know that there is maybe two, three, four, five, or up to 10 or 20, 100 bowls. But we don't know yet. But we know that there are some bowls, right? We know that there are some bowls. Okay? And is there a spacecraft? So we say, is there a spacecraft? Now we don't say, are there any spacecraft? We want to know, is there a spacecraft? Right? Is there a spacecraft? And we say, what? No, there isn't. What is it? It's a juicer, right? So we say, are there any juicers? Yes. We say, yes, there is a juicer. But if we don't know yet, we say, are there any juicers? But then we say, yes, there is a juicer if there's one juicer, right? There is, right? Right? But if there is more than one, we can't count. Because we can't count right away sometimes. Because sometimes there could be so many juicers. So we say, yeah, there are some juicers, right? Some. Some juicers. Could be some type of number we don't know yet, right? Some juices. Some juicers, okay? So that's what we went over on page 54. Okay? And what we're going to do here is we're going to go over something else. We're going to go over now Unit 7. And this is what we're going over. It's called prepositions. They're called prepositions. And you can find it in, and prepositions are things that connect things, right? They connect things. They connect different things, two different things. They could be in, on, under, between. Those are the main prepositions that we use usually, right? Prepositions. So, so it's like on, under, beside, between, next to, right? Things like that. And I know a song goes like this. It goes something like, I do this with younger kids, and it goes in, on, under, in, on, under, in, on, under, and then we go behind, beside, behind, beside, in front of, in front of, in front of, and it goes, I'm going to start singing a little bit. I'm going to start singing. It goes in, on, under, in, on, under, on top of, behind, beside, behind, beside, in front of, in front of. So that's kind of like, those are the main prepositions, right? And there's also, of course, like I said before, like this book here. Where's the book? Where's this book? The book is between, see? It's between my hands, right? Right? It's between my hands. Or I can say, where's the card? It's between my hands, right? Or the card is on top of my hand. Or the card is in my hand, right? Or the card is under my hand, or the card is behind my hand, or beside my hand. So that's something that you have to know, and this is what this is all about on lesson 1, unit 7, or the whole unit in unit 7. That's what this is about. Okay, so let's look at this here. So we have here, we're going to look at this here. We have this, and it says here, I was in, so the song here, it says, I was in the living room, right? In the living room. So you say, where were you? I was in, right? I was in the living room, right? And let's see here. So we say, I was in the living room. And we say, I was in the living room. So it's something where you were in the past. And that's one of the songs here. And it says, it was very cold. Okay? And the ghosts, okay, there's ghosts on the sofa. So the ghosts are on the sofa, right? On the sofa, right? In the song. And there are many things that you can remember. So the ghosts were on the sofa in the past, right? They were on the sofa, right? And the ghost was by the door, right? By the door. Or we can say next to the door or by the door. Next to the door or by the door. It's almost the same thing, right? And that's what we can go over here. And on page, and if you remember, on page 65, your page, you have all different types of things, right? So you have Tara on the sofa. So Tara is on the sofa, because let's say this is the sofa. Tara's sitting on the sofa, and Tara's here. Says hi. Okay, so it's Tara on the sofa, and there's a mouse on the rug. So let's say this is a rug. So there's a little mouse on the rug. So the mouse is on the rug, right? And the cat is next to the fireplace. And Todd, so this is the armchair, right? This is the armchair. And Todd, here's Todd. Hi, I'm Todd. Hello. And Todd is behind the armchair. This is behind. You see, he's behind. This is the armchair. 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 And Todd is behind the armchair, right? And the spider. Okay, there's a spider on the mirror. So there's a mirror. You look into the mirror. You look at your reflection. Oh, look at me. I look so nice. I'm so handsome. No, I don't know. Anyway, and you put, and it shows the spider is on the mirror. So there's a spider on the mirror. It could be on the mirror here, right, in front, or on top, or you can say on top of the mirror or on the mirror. This is on the mirror. So that's how it is. So basically, that is unit 7 for you, and that's prepositions, right? In, on, under, behind, beside, on top of, things like that. Next to, by. Okay? I will see you in class on Friday. Until next time, goodbye.